Great tips about how to make money online that anyone can use. Sit back and imagine the possibilities. No need for daycare. No boss telling you what to do. The ability to work where and when you want. No ceiling to your potential profits. Online work provides you with these possibilities, and this video will prepare you for this new online career. One great way to make money online is to use a site like Etsy or eBay to sell things you make yourself. If you have any talents, from sewing to knitting to carpentry, you can make a killing through online markets. People want items that are handmade, so join in. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. When you work online, the world is your oyster. You are free to do, act and be as you wish, but only if you know what you're doing. If you want to turn your online work into a profitable career, use the tips you've read today and make it happen. Student loan,